Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pokegemz. Guys, another super easy fun tutorial guys. Today we're going to draw this awesome optical illusions, but before we get started guys, please hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. Hit subscribe, hit that notification button guys, and let's get started. Alright, as you know I usually draw optical illusions. This one's pretty cool. Alright guys, here are the measurements. You're going to start out with the basic measurements on your paper. Mark it off with a ruler 5 inches, 1 inch apart. Super easy. Alright guys, once we're done with that, we're going to draw one line across the top that's going to be 6 inches long. Basically a straight line across the top, 6 inches. As you guys see, I am using my ruler. We will go over with marker everything in a minute, and then the other side you're going to do exactly the same thing that you did on the left side. So you're going to mark the right side also 1 inch increments. Let's make a nice easy straight line going down both sides. Make this nice and light because most of this will be erased later. This is basically just a guideline just so that your picture can be perfectly nice and straight. Alright, your top line is 6 inches long. The next line you're going to adjust your ruler from end to end, but you're going to draw a line only 5 inches long. The third line down, again, put your ruler on both ends so it's nice and straight. And your third line will be 4 inches long. Next line after that, again, adjust it so it's straight. We're going back to 5 inches. Next line down will be 6 inches long. And then your final line, the last one, all the way on the bottom, guys, you've got it adjusted nice and straight, will be again 5 inches long. Alright, once you have those lines marked out in pencil, guys, the next thing I'm going to do is go over all those lines with marker. But here you go, guys. On the left hand side, here's a little guide. Here is your measurements. Now guys, you don't have to do this by 1 inch. You can do it by ½ inch or whatever, but these are the measurements. If you want the drawing to look exactly like mine, 1 inch apart. And then there are the full measurements. You guys can go back, pause the video at that moment. Guys, by the way, check out this other video. This is another awesome optical illusion. Check this one out, guys. I think this one's pretty cool too. Alright guys, that's basically it. Once you go over those lines with marker, here is the next one. On the right hand side, the two 6-inch lines, you're going to connect them together with marker. And then the bottom two, you're going to connect these on an angle like so. Alright, once you did that, then your second line and your fourth line, you'll go ahead and connect those with a marker. Then this line right here basically comes straight down, and then from the corner we angle it upwards like so. And then we'll draw that line with the marker also. Alright, that's basically it for the straight lines. The next thing we're going to do is make these circles on the ends. Now I start out with pencil because I am easier freehand drawing with pencil. Guys, remember when you do it with pencil you can always erase. If you do this with marker, nothing wrong with that, but keep in mind if it doesn't look the way you want it to look, there obviously is no way to erase. So personally, I like to do it with pencil. And then once you're done with the pencil, super nice and easy, then take your marker, take your Sharpie, and go over that once you're done with those. And the third one, we're pretty much basically done. Alright guys, now like I always do, go ahead and grab your eraser and basically just erase anything that's left over. Same as I always do, erase all your pencil. Use your brush, take an older paintbrush, a brush that you might have, use it to take away all your little shavings from your eraser. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think this is a pretty cool optical illusion because if you look at it, it looks like there's two sides here, but then all of a sudden, how do we get three? I mean, check this out. I'll cover one side with a piece of paper. So look at that, guys. There's only two, right? Only two ends. and then you cover that side, and all of a sudden you get 3. How is that even possible? Guys, that's why we call this a geometric optical illusion, because you see one thing and you think it's something else. Guys, if you like that video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. Follow me also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I post there every single day. If you want merch, if you want more info, guys, check out my website, www.pokegemz.com. And if you haven't done so, hit subscribe, turn on the notifications, guys, and I will see you on the next one.